Hello folks, here's a quick video highlighting the location of the oil filter and drain bolt for the engine oil. I was hoping to do a full how-to video of an oil change, however quickly began to run out of light. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them in the comments about steps of the oil change process. Once you've opened the hood, you should see a plastic cover on the engine. The bottom half should easily pop out using force from your hands, and the filter will be easily accessible. To access the drain bolt, you'll need to remove two plastic plates on the underside of the vehicle. The plates are all held on by bolts with 5/16 inch heads. The rear plate reaches almost towards the middle of the vehicle, so you should lift the car up as much as you can to get easy access to it. I love that I can just use an impact driver for this. The drain bolt has a 13mm head. That's all for this video. I'll write down step-by-step instructions for the oil change in the video description below.